With the audience for online video growing to over 188 million, more and more companies are turning to video for communication. A video press release is the most effective means of delivering your message. It has been proven to increase views by 2.5 times and increase message retention by over 300% while making you stand out from your competitors. Here at Media Mobs, we connect video buyers to our global network of video producers, driving business results through professional video storytelling. Never created a video press release? Don't worry. Our in-house staff and network of producers will be there every step of the way to guide you through the process. We offer predefined video packages, customizable options, or a self-service marketplace where you define the job and set the price. And each video package can be bundled with press release distribution. All options are powered by leading cloud-based technology for integration, collaboration, distribution, and analytics. One of our main goals here at Media Mobs is to simplify the video production process while enabling collaboration. We have created an online screening room so producers can upload rough cuts of the video and buyers can easily comment on any changes that need to be made. Our award-winning network of producers have served many clients, including Intel, Gartner, LG, and SVTC Technologies, to name just a few. These companies are leveraging video to create more effective communication in the areas of marketing, sales, advertising, training, and compliance. Whether it's a product video, events video, or company profile, we deliver your video production and distribution. To get started on your video project, give us a call